Hello everyone. Welcome to Sheshagopal's Tech Central. Today's topic is learning Java worth in 2023? For such questions in tech industry, I prefer to consider various factors like pros and cons of the programming language, usage, current market sentiment, and the reason for learning a new programming language. Brief introduction to Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language that is used to develop web applications, enterprise applications, mobile application, games, and much more. Since its first stable version released in 1996, it has remained one of the popular programming languages among companies and developers. Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem. In the present day, Oracle supplies the Java platform. The views shared in this video are only personal opinion. The video does not intend to hurt anyone's sentiment. Some of the information are gathered from various sources on the internet which might not be 100% accurate, hence recommend discussion. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of Java. First, pros of Java. Simple, high level language. Java is a high level programming language, that is, human readable language. It is easy to learn and understand. The syntax is straightforward, easy to learn, write, maintain, and debug, less complex compared to languages like C, C++. Object oriented programming. Java is an object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming simplifies software development and maintenance. OOPS concepts helps us to resolve real world problems, enhance features, write flexible, efficient, and reusable code. Platform independent. The compiled code, that is, the bytecode of Java, is platform independent and can run on any machine irrespective of operating system and hardware. Write once, run everywhere. Secure. Java reduces threats and risk. With the help of managed security, we can define the access rules for classes. It avoids explicit use of pointers, thus prevents attacks. More than one thread can run at the same time. Multithreading helps us to improve the efficiency and the performance of the application. It facilitates ability to create distributed applications. Cons of Java. Poor performance. Java is memory consuming and significantly slower than native languages. Some of the new age language based applications delivered better performance than Java. While memory management with garbage collectors are shown as advantage, it also hampers the performance adversely if not handled properly. Poor GUI. Considerably backwards when it comes to GUI. While there are some frameworks like Swing, SWT, JSF, etc., were created in a view to improve GUI, these frameworks never gained popularity due to its complexity, ineffectiveness, and poor performance. Commercial license. In 2019, Oracle commercialized Java by applying a fee for Java application that uses version 11 and above. While development environment is still free for use, any production or live Java application must pay a fee. Prior to this, Java was an open source and free of any cost. Let's take a look at the usage. Based on various web usage statistics that are available on the internet, Java is still one of the most popularly used language. Java is used in approximately 4 to 6 percentage of all websites. Approximately 30 to 40 percentage of developers across the world use Java. Java is one of the top 10 programming languages among usage, applications, and developers across numerous surveys, if not all surveys. Some significant top companies that use Java are Microsoft, LinkedIn, PayPal, Netflix, Uber, etc. Current market sentiment. If we look at sector wise, Java is used in almost every sector. There is still a huge job market for Java across the world. After the rising popularity of JS libraries such as React Angular with Node.js, other programming languages such as Python, a section of people thought Java might become irrelevant soon. It was said that Java won't be one of the top 10 preferred language after 2020. But Java stood its test and still remains most preferred among companies and developers. Approximately 100,000 to 150,000 companies reportedly use Java in their tech stack across the globe. Approximately 55 to 60 percentage market share of Java clients in US. Reasons for learning Java in 2023. It is simple, easy to learn. As it is a high level language with simple syntax, it is very easy to learn. Oracle currently supplies Java platform, which makes it reliable. There is a huge community of people available for Java. In case of any queries, we can find optimal answer through various popular websites such as Stack Overflow. Java with Spring MVC and Spring Boot is one of the popular and preferred frameworks for web and enterprise applications. There are numerous supporting open source Java libraries that can make implementation simple and efficient. There is something new to learn with every new version of Java. With the huge number of available libraries, the learning experience is steep and helps in career growth. With enterprise application development, various supporting libraries, one can always stay relevant and have quick growth in career. Considering more than 100,000 companies still use in Java, there is a big job market. One can get a decent pay just as a beginner in Java. There exist plenty of websites, software programs, and applications that won't work without Java are impossible to replace with any other programming language at the moment. Government services, high risk industries, investments, and banking system extensively use Java for its security and reliability. These are some of the major reasons why Java is still at its peak. If you are a fresher or new to coding, learning Java is highly recommended. Considering usage, current market share, popularity, and opportunities, Java is very much relevant in 2023, and I believe it will be relevant for at least another 10 years. To the question whether Java is worth learning in 2023, yes, absolutely. Thanks for watching this video.